Welcome to the parshealthTV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to talk about the perfect legs and glutes workout for women. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. Having a well-shaped buttock has a significant impact on beauty and fitness. Can hip exercise be effective? Some people think that hip shaping is only possible through surgery, but doing a series of exercises is also very effective in shaping the hips. Each person's buttocks have a specific size and shape. So certainly, not all people can change the shape of their hips with one type of movement and exercise. In this video, we will introduce the best lower body exercises for different types of buttocks. If you want to know what exercises make your hips look good, stay tuned with us. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. For maximum hip muscle growth, hip exercise should be performed in the best way. That means doing both strength training and aerobic exercise at the same time. Of course, do not do too much aerobic exercise. To build a well-shaped hip, it is necessary for strength training to involve all muscle fibers. Number 6. Side lunges. This classic exercise will increase your strength by challenging your hip muscles. The benefits of this exercise include flexibility of the thigh muscles and strengthening of the torso. Start by standing up straight with your feet together, move forward with your right foot, and take a step to the side. Bend your right knee and keep your left leg straight. Turn your foot slightly outward. Continue to bend deeper toward your right knee and bring your hips back, engaging your abdomen and keeping your spine neutral. Your torso leans forward slightly. Keep your eye forward and exhale. Return to a standing position. Do 2 to 3 sets with 10 to 12 repetitions. Number 5. Squat side kick. Adding a side kick to squat gives you a one-legged squat experience. This exercise for hip obesity strengthens the hips and legs and is very effective. This exercise of hip obesity also challenges your balance. Replace your legs while doing this, as it can increase your heart rate. Get help from a wall or chair to keep your balance. Stand with your feet flat in the squat position, and when returning to a standing position, bring your right foot straight up and out. Your foot is slightly in front of the shoulder, but from the side, keep your foot the same. Hold to the side and pause. Transfer your weight to your left foot and lift your right foot off the ground. Bend your right knee to keep your feet off the ground. Then, bring your right foot back to the ground, focusing your weight on both feet. Now repeat this movement on the other side. Do 2 to 3 sets with 10 to 12 repetitions. Number 4. Bulgarian squat. This exercise of hip obesity affects the legs and buttocks, increases your stability, and causes a deep contraction in the buttocks and back of the legs. It is better to hold dumbbells in your hands to make this hip exercise more effective. Stand in front of a bench, chair, or platform with your back to a distance of about 60 to 90 centimeters in front of it. Place your left foot on the platform from behind. Bend the knee of the right leg and the left knee and buttocks to the back. The longer the distance, the more pressure on your muscles, and they will strengthen better. But do not increase the distance too much because, on the contrary, the pressure on the serine muscles decreases, and the effectiveness of this exercise reduces. While bending both knees and moving the hips towards the ground, keep your chest high and your abdomen engaged. Then straighten both legs to their original position. Stay on your right leg for 10 to 12 reps before switching to the legs, and then do this hip exercise with the other leg. Do 2 to 3 sets with 10 to 12 repetitions with each leg, alternating legs between sets. Number 3. Sumo squat. This hip exercise is a great way to strengthen your quadriceps muscles. Get in squat mode. Keep your weight on your heels to activate the muscles in your back. Squat and bring your forearms together in front of you. Assuming 1 repetition, do 2 to 4 steps to the right and then 2 to 4 steps to the left, 10 repetitions, 2 to 3 times. Wrap a small ribbon around your thighs for more intensity as well as more use of the buttocks. Maintain a squat position and take 2 to 4 steps to the right, and repeat to the left. Number 2. Clamshell. This exercise for the buttocks is like opening and closing oysters. It will be a simple way to strengthen all the serine muscles. Wrap a small ribbon around your thighs for more intensity and impact. Lie on a mat to your right side. Bend your legs together, curl your knees at a 90-degree angle, and flex your lower back at the hip angle at a 45-degree angle. Place your head on your arm, towel, or yoga blocks with your upper knee straight. Turn towards the ceiling while the soles of both feet touch each other. Your knees will be slightly forward from your hips. Slowly return to the starting position. Do 2 to 3 sets with 10 to 12 reps. Number 1. Kickback. To do this hip exercise, the spine should be straight and neutral. The abdominal muscles should be strong during the exercise. This exercise can be done on the palm or forearm. You can put your palm on the ground, or if you want to remove pressure on your wrist, you can place your forearms and elbows on the floor. Keep your arms and legs on the floor, on all fours. Open your knees to the width of your hips and keep your neck and spine neutral. Start lifting your left leg behind you and bending your knee. Use the buttock muscles to help lift your leg up. Return to the original position. If necessary, strike your knee on the ground or float it between repetitions for more intensity and lift it off the ground. Do 20 repetitions on each leg for 3 sets. There is no natural way to change the bone structure you were born with, but with proper exercise and following a balanced diet, you can shape your legs and glutes. Change your waist and hips to give your body the shape of an hourglass. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.